Hey, Mark Harvey here, and we're going to be working out today the ROI on your property investment deal. So let's start with what the rental income is. So let's start with the rental income on a monthly basis, £600. Now, just for argument's sake, I want to say that this is on a house that we have revalued at £80,000. Now, why do we need to know that? Because I just want you to know anywhere between 2% mortgage and stress testing at 6%, so 2% interest, 6% interest, the mortgage repayments are going to be anywhere between 100 and 300. So I'm just going to take it in the middle right here. But when you're working this out, you're going to work off actual figures. And we have other programs, other trainings where you can learn the formula, the exact formula that you need to go through to work out all of this. But basically, this video, I just want to show you how to work out the return on investment if you have money left in the deal. But if you want to take all your money out of the deal, again, there are other videos that you can watch to show you how that can be done as well. So in this case, we're going to say the mortgage payments are £200, and then other costs like management fees, putting money aside for maintenance, etc. Let's just make it easy and say £100. So that's a total of £300 cost against our £600 rental income. So if you're like me and you've got a calculator and you work this out, you're going to realize that you've got a cash flow there of £300 on a monthly basis. Now, what I want to do is I want you to get a calculator because you're going to be working out this for your deals. But this is the formula. So if you have money invested in the deal, some people might say it's invested in, we say it's left in, because our aim is to take all the money out to then go and invest it in another deal, and you can just keep recycling on and on and on. That is the beauty of it. That is the beauty. But if for whatever reason, whatever strategy you're using, you're leaving money in the deal, so the money that's invested in, this is the formula you're going to do. So you're going to take your cash flow of 300. Then what you're going to do is you're going to times it by 12 to give you the annual cash flow. So that's the first piece in the formula. So the annual cash flow. So I want to make this as easy as possible for you. So the annual cash flow. Then what we're going to do is times 100. Times by 100. Times by 100. Then what we're going to do is divide by the money that is left in. So on previous videos we did some workings out of how to take all the money out, but if for whatever reason it costs more money to renovate or your purchase price wasn't as low as you wanted to get it, then this is what you're going to do. So let's say £10,000 is left in. So now I need to divide by the money left in, which is 10,000. So that's equal. So money left in. So you're going to remember that. This is a formula. So annual cash flow times 100 divided by the money left in. And in this case, with £300 cash flow a month, with £10,000 left in, this is going to give me a wonderful 36% return on investment. Now, if you want to learn how to go through the process and the steps to get an infinite return. Now, what's an infinite return? I mean, this is a percentage return on my money that I've invested in. But if all my money is out, and now something is just paying me on a monthly basis, then that's infinite return, right? So if you want to learn about that, you can go to our website, you can register for our programs, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we do many videos on there. It's going to give you lots and lots of information for you to figure this out. But all you need to do, follow this formula, return on investment, and then for you, your investors, your family, you can know exactly what return on your money you're going to get before you even get into the deal. Now that is important, and that is one of the awesome things about property investment. One of the few investments where you can actually know what it is that you're going to get out of it before you even get in.